Hey guys, Adam from OX7 here. So I'm looking for a workshop technician to join my client who provide component parts to a number of different industries in helping them with their sustainability goals. We know that this is such a prevalent matter within today's society, so this would be a really great company to join to help other businesses in terms of their footprint on the climate and things of that nature. So they're looking for somebody who's got a rich history in engineering. Hopefully we're looking for somebody who's got a time-served apprenticeship to underpin that. In terms of salary, we're looking at 32 to 36k depending on experience. The site is located in Bicester in North Oxfordshire, but there will be some opportunity to travel to other sites around Europe should you wish to do so. So if you think you fit the brief and you want to discuss it further, then give me a call or drop me a message and we can take it from there. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.